Welcome back all. This is Josh here with another AI video. So what I'm doing here today, I'm showing you my AI trainer for James Madison. Jaimes Madison. I'm fine-tuning GPT-2 Medium on the Federalist Papers in a question and answer format so that you can ask questions of it and get a response from James Madison. Let's see how it works. Uh, this is GPT-2 Medium. This is just chat. Let's just up arrow and ask him to give us some. See, he does that sometimes. He'll just answer with just a period. But let's ask him again. Okay, he says, as James Madison, I would articulate Federalist number 171. We should seek unity among all branches of government. I don't know if that's right. I've got to do some verifying and all. But that's okay. Fair enough. Now let's do viz. This is part of my program that the AI helped me create. This visualizes the weights that were activated during inference time of your chat request. So this helps you visualize the performance of your model to understand what it's doing, how it's making connections, etc. Let's exit. You can do that a lot. You can also, if you after each question, you can save that question into whatever. So I don't know where it saves it, to be honest, but once you get several of them, you can create this. Actually, by just doing patterns, you just type in the word patterns. Let's see, do we have any? No, let's save Federalist. And let's do, what is the color of the sky? Alright. And then we're gonna, once he responds, we're gonna do save sky. And we're gonna do patterns. And then it saves a brand new visualization stuff up here. We're gonna go over here and go visualizations. Open this up. And this is just from those two. It just graphed those two prompts. The weights from those two prompts. Here's, you can see how things correlate. This is not very good because it was only two, but all of this data is now, we've got all this fancy data. Let's go back. I'll show you a little bit more about the program that generated this stuff to let us chat with James Madison. I start with a raw text file of the Federalist Papers. Pretty raw. I need to probably make sure that this is all like correct or something. I just got it from the internet, but whatever. So keep going. Start with that. Then we have process data. What this does is this chunks the Federalist Papers into, acceptable chunks and sends it to a local running AI model. Let's run this so you can see. We're gonna do training partial 2, and you can see it generate these question and answers in real time. So process data. It's going to connect to my local host here. Look, it's generating already. And it's going to tell us when it gets this back. This is just status info, how big the chunks are and stuff. But it's going to give us some more information here once it gets the responses back. Created 211 logically structured chunks, so that's kind of how long it will take to, we'll have to get through 211 chunks to finish. It's going to take a second here. Okay, he's generating a bunch of them. There we go, that one finished, I think. Why is it not logging it? There we go. I see something. Here we go. Sample of processed text. It gives you an estimate on the time remaining as well. I ran this last night and it gave me something else. But here's where, this is the first batch of questions and answers that it generated. What historical examples from your blah, blah, blah. We may look upon ancient Rome as the instructive case, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Okay, so that's that. Let's cancel this. Let's do this. Let's cut that off so this will end. There we go. Turn it back back on, clear. Alright, so that's the training script, and it creates this training data.txt, which is just the question and answers. What we do then is we do train.py, which is about a 200 line script, which will take all of those things and train our model on it. So I have trained that model. I'm not going to do this now because it's going to take a while. But then we get this chat program, which this is where it generates that HTML stuff for the plots. But this is the chat program where we just talk to James Madison. Here's the training script. I gotta run this anyways, so I might as well just do it, I guess. But it's going to train a new AI on. So this will replace my old models up here. But now it's going to train, and this is how long it's going to take. Let's see. It estimates it'll be about 25 minutes for this epoch, and there's going to be 5 of them, so that's what, 5 would be, 30 minutes times 4 would be 2 hours, 2.5 hours or something. Um, but yeah, and it's going to train. All of this code was generated with Claude 3.7 and Cursor, this text editor. This is what they call vibe coding. I didn't really program any of this stuff. Most of it came from the AI. As you can see over here, it's generated a lot of this stuff. So that's about it. Just wanted to show off some of this stuff. I'll put it up on GitHub, and you folks can use it too if you want. It's a fun program. It's been a lot of fun. That's all I got. So see you later again, maybe. Fly safe.